Hi, welcome to a video from ToDo.Tips. In this video we are going to do the quick review of this Kingpad K10 tablet. I purchased this from Amazon. Let's get started with this. Now let's have a look at the specification. Screen size is 10.1 inch. The graphic is Mali G52 2-core. And the CPU is octa-core or 8-core T610, which is a dual-core A75. So you have 8 core of this T610 plus 6 core of A55, 1.6 gigahertz, and this is 1.8 gigahertz. The chipset is T610. RAM is 3 gigabyte. Operating system is Windows 10. Android 10. Resolution is HD 920 by 1080. Audio is dual speaker stereo, and the ports that are on the device: USB-C, earphone, and micro SD card slot. Wi-Fi has 2 band, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Front camera is 5 megapixel and rear camera is 12 megapixel resolution. The weight of the tablet is 550. The power adapter is 5 volts 2 ampere, and the Bluetooth version that this uses is the latest one, Bluetooth 5. The dimensions are 9.6 by 6.4 by 0.3 inch. And let's see what is inside the box. So they send this. Please hold the power for 2 to 3 seconds to turn it on, and this is the tablet. Nice. It has been labeled as Kingpad K10. One camera here, the other camera. Let's remove this. Wow, we have 2 of this. Why we have the other one? So that is a screen protector. Yes. Let's see what else we have. So USB-C charge cable, the needle to insert, free 2 years extension warranty. So it says you have 14 days from the day of purchase to claim this, to register. Turn on. So they show you quickly how to connect and turn on. Included actual manual. I thought they will refer you to online, but it's amazing. Full color, well designed manual. This is nice. So power adapter, 5 volts, 2 ampere. So this is a 2 ampere charger. Nothing else. Now let me explain all the inputs, outputs, and pins. In here we have the power button, and then we have volume up and down, This is a USB-C charger. This seems to be microphone. We have two speakers here. This is for some kind of docking. We have to see. We have a camera. On this side we have nothing. On the top we have this micro SD card slot. Let's push it. And the headphone jack. That's very nice. The screen is 25.2 millimeters or 10 inch. Let me show you the thickness. It's 9.2 millimeters or 0.35 inch. Of course, this area is a little thicker. Let me put it on my scale. How am I gonna measure this? So 494 grams. Turn it on by pressing this button. I'm holding it. Yes. And here's Kingpad K10. Android. I will connect to Wi-Fi. For the Wi-Fi, got connected now, checking for updates. For photos and everything from other phone. So we have it. Actually, I'm gonna connect it. And I have this phone, I'm gonna transfer it to this. Let's see next. It says backup an Android phone, backup from cloud, an iPhone device. So this is Android. I'm selecting Android. Open the app on an old device. It says open Google app. Let's see, where is Google app? So this is Google app. And then next says, or type set up my device. So it says get started. Next, it's now searching for this device. Now verify the shape. They're the same shape. 399. Next, copy to your new device. Copy. Now it asks for my pattern. Almost done. Close. So this is done now. It's copying my Google account quickly. So confirm your old Huawei P3 Pro screen lock. On the phone it says please confirm. So yes, it's me. Done. Now we can go next. Confirm your old pattern on my phone to this. So choose what you want. Apps 29, messages, device. So let me select certain apps. Backup, I don't want it. Huawei mobile, Huawei video. SAM. So it says 0.9 gigabytes. So now it is bringing everything from my phone, also copying it there. Use location, allow scanning. No, I don't want to participate in diagnostics. Accept. Set screen lock. I like patterns. So it has unlock with face. I'm not gonna do that. Skip. Now it says checking what is trending. Access. Yes, agree. Okay, I'm not gonna do that now. So you can make a payment with this, so I'm gonna skip. Anything else? No, thanks. So now it's all done, all connected. For this tablet, if we swipe up, you will see all your apps in one screen. Press this to come and see which app is running. With this we go back, and this is your home. Right now we have only 3. We can have more. I'm going to remove calendar from here. Maybe I have to bring YouTube here. And we have more room. I change the camera, go to the left, it becomes video. Now it's video, go from the left, it becomes for camera. Want to change the setting, just swipe to the right, touch here to see the resolution and quality. Location is on. The resolution here, back camera 13 megapixel, front camera 5 megapixel, so this is 5 and the other side is 13. And for video, back and front is 720. Let's see. So this has only 720. These are the photos that I've taken. I went outside, took that photo. I'm going here to check the storage. You see the app is crashing. After updating the system, the error was gone. In my opinion, I'm very happy with the tablet. All the features are as expected. The first thing is it has excellent price. You cannot get the same feature 10-inch tablet with this price. It has micro SD card, which makes it very useful, so you can expand and put more memory. 6,000 milliampere hour battery, which would last up to 12 hours. It depends on how you use it. For example, if you use a lot of watch videos and play videos and the screen is very bright, it will have shorter play time. But if the screen is dark and the content that you are looking at are not bright, it will last longer. So it's just not an exact number. One bad thing that I see about this is that the camera is not full HD. It is only 720p, but I'm still happy with it because this is not my camera. I have a excellent camera and stand-alone camera on my phone. So this was just the only bad thing. So please